Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular treadmills, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the YGZ Walking Pad. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we aim to help you decide which treadmill might be the right fit for your fitness journey. When it comes to the motor and noise level, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill promises quiet operation with its brushless motor, reaching speeds up to 7.5 mph. Reviewers have praised its low noise level, making it ideal for those who prefer a quiet workout environment. On the other hand, the YGZ Walking Pad features a 2.5 HP low-noise motor, with users highlighting its peaceful workout experience despite a slightly lower maximum speed. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill impresses with features like a digital LED, console, heart rate monitoring, and 12 preset programs, earning high marks from users for its range of options and ease of use. Meanwhile, the YGZ Walking Pad offers an LED display, app, and remote control, and a manual incline feature, with reviewers appreciating its functionality and incline option for a more challenging workout. In terms of design and usability, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill provides a spacious running area, popular among users for its comfort and versatility. The YGZ Walking Pad, however, is celebrated for its compact design and easy storage capabilities, making it a favorite for those with limited space. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill comes with a 5-year warranty and 24/7 support, indicating a strong commitment to customer satisfaction. The YGZ Walking Pad offers an 18-month warranty with lifetime technical support, also receiving positive feedback for its customer service. Overall, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill is highly regarded for its quiet operation, comprehensive features, and spacious design, making it well-suited for diverse workout needs. The YGZ Walking Pad, on the other hand, is praised for its peaceful motor, functional features, compact design, and strong customer service, ideal for those with space constraints or seeking a simple, effective workout solution. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the YGZ Walking Pad. Whether you're in search of quiet operation and a feature-rich experience, or a compact, functional treadmill, both options offer unique benefits to fit your fitness goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. For more information and to purchase, check out the product links in the description. Stay fit and make informed choices on your fitness journey.